Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College Nosharo Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in last lecture we had completed chapter number 1 and in today's lecture we are going to solve the activity pages of chapter number 1. So dear students, on book page number 11 the activity page the activity is based on fill in the blanks. So first of all we have to fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks. Later on we will state whether the following statements are true and false. And finally we will solve the MCQs that are also the part of the activity pages. So dear students, first of all come to fill in the blanks. On book page number 11, exercise A is fill in the blanks. So dear students, there are some blanks that we have to put the suitable words that are suitable to complete the blanks. Blank number 1 is a dash is the stage of gathering data from the environment and preparing it for input. So dear students, as you know that data collection is the stage that is used to collect data, gather data from environment and preparing for input. So here the first blank will be data collection. Dear students, we will write data collection in the first blank. Second blank is that the process stage is where raw data is transformed into dash to be understood by users. Dear students, in this blank the word will be suitable transformed into meaningful information. Raw data is converted, transformed into meaningful information. Now come to the third blank. Sorting and organizing data according to some predefined dash. Sorting means organizing data according to some predefined dash. Here word will be criteria. Electronic dash and calculators are used to perform complex calculations using a computer. Here will be electronic computers. On book page number 5th, on blank number 5th, the blank is that people use process data to work and make dash. Here suitable word is decisions. On page number 11, sixth one blank is that dash produce error-free processing at high speed. Computerized system. Suitable word is computerized system. Seventh dash is a computer cannot make decision for which it has not been dash. Suitable word is programmed. So dear students, on book page number 11 we have fill in the blanks. Now on book page number 12 we are going to study about the true-false statements and MCQs of this chapter. So dear students, exercise B is that state whether following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statement to make them true. So dear students, here there is some enlargement of this question, but we are going to shorten it that we have to indicate only true or false statement that are going to be asked in this page. So dear students, on book page number 12, exercise B is that state whether following statements are true or false. Number 1 is encoding is known as data capture. So dear students, first one statement is true, so we will write down true statement. Number 2 is that a turnaround document contains result of the previous data processing activity. This one statement is known as false. Now, book page number 3 is that sorted data is raw data. This statement is true. Now we will write true statement. Fourth one is a computerized system is less efficient than a manual system. This statement is false because computer system is more efficient than manual system, because computer system can store data for a long time and it processes data with high speed as compared to the manual system. So dear students, this statement is indicated as false statement.